Hello friends, welcome to class 7 Social Studies. Our lesson number 6 Administrative System and Architecture during the Medieval Age. Friends, many kings created lot of monuments during the medieval age. In this lesson, we have to study about this medieval age points. Kasam is Lok Dairo, that means a group of folk singer is organized in village square and entire village is gathered. As small children had already taken their position in the front row and patriotic songs were sung by the artist. Next day, Utsav named boy asked about the Palya, that means the song sung by one artist about the martyrs of the stone. Palya means hero stones. It was created by history and some people put a stone statue over there. It is called Palya. A Palya is a memorial commemorating of the heroes. It is a tribute to the martyrs who have sacrificed their life while protecting and ensuring the welfare of the people. Utsav and friend request grandfather to enlighten us about the country. Then grandfather said administrative system during the Rajput age. During the Rajput era, India was ruled over by one king and India was divided into big and small state extent. Each kingdom depend on the king's military powers. It was not ruled by the one king, but many were divided. After becoming a feudal lords, the Rajput kings and dynasty were divided into the different administrative points. In this chapter, what are the administrative system? What literature was developed? What architecture was developed? That we are studying. Administrative system was differently in the Rajput era. Even though different dynasties came to the power, there was a little change in the administrative system. Kingship was hereditary. Hereditary means by birth. A king's sons going to become the king. It was not compulsory that eldest son would always automatically become the next king, but the apparent selected by king and was called the crown prince. You might have seen the Bahubali movie. It was also one of the best example of a hereditary, and king was selected by the performance, not by the age. Even people and ministers were elected or selected by their kings. For example, Kashmir king Yashkara was selected and enthroned by the Brahmin group. Gujarat Kumarpal was selected by the successor of the Council of Ministers. Some ministers also were selecting this. This was the main points of administrative points. And afterwards, various ministers were appointed to assist the administrator and manage the kingdom effectively. At that time, people become victims of poor or wrong administrative policies also were noted in the Indian history. That is very common, friends. So, we have to study more about it. Administrative system in the village. Village institutions were important during the medieval period because all the village have a good economy and some part was given to the king. Head of the panchayat was called Mukhi or Sarpanch. At present also we have a Sarpanch election because now we are democratic and we are living in local self-government organization. They protecting and delivering justice to the villager. His words were final. In many cases, Gram Sabha was also called and give verdict. Verdict means decision. And punish the culprits. Even today also, village level, Gram Panchayat or elders of the Panchayat provide guidelines to the people. Today also, Gram Panchayat, we have so many committees are there. Social Justice Committee, Light Committee, likewise. But olden time, Sarpanch words, Mukhi's words was called the final one. Revenue was the main income on that time. Each kingdom has a different way of collecting land revenue. Usually, sixth part of cultivation was taken by the land revenue. Apart from this, other taxes were also levied on the people. Different officers were appointed for the different activities. The word collector also came from this because they were collecting revenue in the olden time during the Britishers' time, and afterwards collector became one of the key posts in our present system. And olden system, landlords collected the tax and paid tribute to the kings. Friends, read this lesson very properly. This lesson having good importance, interesting also. Thank you. Next, we will continue with the literature.